Corona V.
Welcome back to Wood Ass Wheels.
Welcome back. Today we're doing a special segment before we get back to our fourth chapter project. And because of the coronavirus, unfortunately, a local Thai food company has not been able to get some shipments from the internet delivered. So today we're going to be making a table.
Yes, we're going to be making a tabletop. I tried to order a table on eBay. It was made in China. Welcome back to Rugged Individualism America. Let's get some done on our own now.
I should go grab my bag.
Make America great again. Make America work again. Make America independent again.
And believe in God again.
Amen, brother.
Amen. So let's get started.
Absolutely.
Or actually, I'll sneak over my dad's.
You want to make that?
Yeah. Okay.
And beautiful, Kevin. 22 and a half.
Yep. Because you want it perfectly square, right?
Yep.
Alright.
So, time to plane some
Strips to go around the edge.
strips to go around the edge. I guess we called it. I was looking for the fancy word fascia.
Oh, fascia.
I was looking for that, not facial. Fascia.
Yeah.
Putting the fascia on it.
The fascia.
The fascia. And a nice mitered angle here and there.
Yep, we already got one side on, and
Yep, here it is.
just going to repeat it 3 more times, and then we're going to give it just a brief sanding, break the edges. We're going to put some black stain on it, and then a little bit later on today, we're going to do a preview.
You know, it came from China. Hopefully a long time ago, warehouse here, and then came plastic.
That's 24 gauge?
18 gauge.
And then over there. Now that I have the one side on, I can just do an overall measure on my right here, which is just a 16 shy of 2 feet.
Dude, that's so perfect.
That's so perfect.
Dude, you know, I lived in Mexico. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, I lived in Mexico. Actually, I love Mexico. I wouldn't go down there right now. No delivery. No this. Oh. Come on. Now that we've tacked this together,
We're going to go ahead and put some screws.
let's screw it all, screw it to it. Maybe an eighth of an inch up.
I just want to be able to suck it down to the surface.
So now we've drilled holes, I guess you can say perpendicular to the top or parallel to the legs, so that we can screw in. I am Sandman. Corona Coronavirus edition.
Coronavirus edition.
Welcome back to Wood Ass Wheels, Coronavirus edition. We were unable to get a table ordered out of China, so
Improvisation.
time to do it on our own. Good luck, millennials.
Good luck, millennials. Just have
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo.
Just want to say thank you for watching the Coronavirus edition. Sticking around with us. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I shouldn't be joking like that. But seriously, exports are stopped. So it's called Do It Yourself. Rugged Individualism America, welcome back.